All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of a headlight restoration. I do believe they're on. The green light is on. These are the brights, and these are my lights on. I'll show you them when we get inside the garage, but as you can see, it is pretty bad. And unfortunately, I cracked my lens protector, but you know, I'll get that fixed. But here's the left, or the right. So here's one, here's two. That's what they look like before. Here's a better representation since I wiped them off. The water was kind of clearing them up better than they are. So there's that one again. And then here's this one. And then I got a cool little kit. Actually, I think it's upside down. But I got a cool little kit that has everything I need to tape. I don't know. But the power thing, the cup to fill it up. I think this is the acetone. And then, I don't know what this is. Oh no, we got instructions. I'll read it, figure it out. Oh wait, and sanding paper and stuff. So we'll get to that. All right, then you want to tape off as much as you can. I also open up the hood, so that's out the way. I mean, obviously, if you could take the headlights out, that'd be the best bet, but I'm not gonna do that. So that's what you should do next. And then before you get to sanding, it's always good to spray it down with something to get extra dirt off. Scrub real hard and real nice. You know, do your best to get any grime off so you don't clog the sandpaper. Do one more to be safe. Really put some elbow grease in there. Really get the scrubbing. And you want as clean as a surface as you can get. So there's that. All right, we're gonna sand by hand. You wanna wet your surface, you wanna wet your pad, and you just wanna start sanding. I'm going pretty heavy with the high grit. So this headlight is from 2008. It's got some deep scratches, so I'm really trying to get in there and remove a good amount. Because it's seen some days. So this is the one that's going to do the heavy lifting and really make sure, you know, it gets out the deep imperfections as good as can be. And that's why I'm really, like, I see there's really deep scratches right here, but so deep, I don't think I'll be able to get them out. But you don't have to aim for perfection. You just gotta aim for good enough. Because this is my own car. This is my own car. If I was doing this for a business, I would be saying other things right now, but I'm not. To be quite frank, I am not. So right now I'm just, you know, getting off a good layer of the failed stuff. Making sure I'm really getting in there. And, you know, being uniform. Clear it off, clear it off. I don't know, maybe focus. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna take a risk for you guys, so we'll find out. But maybe I'll focus real hard on the deep scratches, and maybe I can get it out. I don't know though. You want it to be pretty even. I'd call that good enough. Clean that off. I might need that for the other one. I don't know. Then you want to rinse it. And then you want to, you know, wipe or dry. You know, the first one's always going to look the worst. It's the highest grit. It's going to do the most damage, but remove the most material. So, I can just kind of tuck in your loose paint. Excuse me. But all right, and then you just want to rinse and repeat that thousands of times with a finer grit every time. So I'll check back in once we're done sanding everything. All right, so here it is, sanded. Here's the untouched. I mean, even sanded, it's already, I feel like, clear. Let's do another double take. I don't know, but it's sanded. It's nice. Now it's time for the acetone and see if it's even worth it. All right, well, let's try it out. It's working. It's not good though. Wow. Oh yeah. This ain't half bad. It's starting to flow better. Just trying to be careful because I don't know if you can overdo it. I don't know if you can underdo it. So I'm just trying to move with it. But this is actually insane. Maybe I gotta get closer or something, I don't know. Wow. Honestly, this is working wonders. Did not think this through. Might have to ruin the shot here. And then you can like kind of go back and get the spots you missed, honestly. I can see it clearing up some of the extra stuff I missed. Go here. Yeah, this is actually working really good. I think you gotta get closer though. Now that I'm like almost touching it, it honestly works like a charm. Oh yeah. Just try to get an even amount here. Go to my beginning spot now that I'm a little bit better at this. Wow. Okay, guys. I didn't think it was going to be this good. I mean, yeah, you can definitely see some spots you miss. It's definitely worth... Oh, I just touched it. Oh, do not touch it. I'm going to tell you that right now. That is something I did not tell you. It's something I just learned. But if you accidentally hit it, I'm not going to lie to you. I think it might leave a little permanent mark on it. So, try not to do what I just did. Just really, you know, like you can see some spots you miss. I don't know, maybe I just did a bad job at sanding, but seems to keep coming back right there. But holy moly. All right, let's turn this off. Guys, what the fuck? Sorry for my language, but oh, what the hell? Look at, dude. Holy schmoly. Oh my gosh. All right, finish the other one. It's let me tell you, if you can get a like an automatic thing, you know, sander, I highly recommend it. I do highly recommend it. But here we go. Man, I love this. I just don't know. Still don't know the optimal way to do it, but I'll tell you, it's way better than before. That I do know. I just don't know. I think if I should do it like this. I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be a heck of a lot better. Get this corner. Get that. Get that. I don't know if you can see this part, but I'm going to get this. Also, please, if you're going to do this, make sure you have like an open window or something. I don't know if I said that before, and if I did, I'm going to keep saying it. Do not just go in blind. We're going to go back where we started, just in case we missed anything. Which you can definitely see sometimes when you miss it. So it's good to go back. All right, and here is the final result, and that's not a clear coat or anything. Make sure to put that on. Make sure to put on a clear coat because you just literally vaporized, you know, the plastic. But I mean, there she is. I mean, I'm very satisfied. This is amazing. Like, they are crystal clear. I did do more on the right one. So this one, you know, is my test run. I wasn't even sure if that stuff was that good. And then this is the one that I did take more time on and sand and stuff, and I think it shows. So yeah, thanks for liking. Well, guys, We did clean them up, but I think my bulbs are bad. So was it worth it? I don't know.